Hi. Today I want to talking about educate for the restaurant. Everyone know to use a table menu as the restaurant. When you leave your restaurant, like this mean that you are still eating. That you are still eating. If you place them like this, it means you finished your meals. Just finish. It's easy. And you please, can you take in their stuff? Let us change manner. It's very good. And find yourself in chills in your mouth closed. And do not talk to food. Your mouth brings the food. Your face, not your face, to your food. Is the table not the trough? Never drink to your soup, bro. It's the best manners. You cannot do it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.